Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Odin Valhalla rising mobile network connection problem. So if you're having problems with your connection on the Odin app and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Well actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and this is how I fixed it. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my Odin app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage as you can see in here. So I just clicked on storage and now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. And now when it's done loading right here, we're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. Click on it and just search for Odin in here and click on the Odin app. Now click on upload app and once again click on upload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again and just wait for your Odin app now to completely update to its latest version. So by doing this, you're going to make sure that your Odin app is completely updated to the latest version so that all of the bugs that was in the previous one is now going to be fixed for you. If this is still not working for you, then what you can try to do as well is to swipe like this and then just quickly enable the airplane mode in the top left corner and then quickly disable it as well. Because basically what happens then is that if you're, for example, using Wi-Fi or mobile data, it doesn't really matter. It's going to give you just a slightly better signal, just so you know. So now when you have done so, you can go back into the app again, try once again, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.